Alright guys, still got a big time with double out here, and we see they run the HTML series. Our last video we talk of forms. So hopefully now if we try to make this one maybe the last video for this our HTML tutorial before we dive to the next series now, which is CSS. Alright, so our last video now we talk of all these inputs, how to create them. Turn out this text, the password, number, email on now. So what I want for this one now, so I go put H arrow here now. I go put H arrow here, then I'll create the other ones now. So these other ones now are very important ones. So like they use most times for maybe you want to register for websites now. So quickly I'll just say form. So this form, I'll create input feed. So this input now, instead of text now, I go say radio. You see I say bring out this dot come outside for me now. This dot. So most times now this radio button now they have to select one out of many options. So maybe you want to create a match on tag what they call label now. This label tag now, so I say label for mail. You see this for now attribute where they specify, so okay now mail now get this label, we can put mail for inside here. So you see they show mail now. So most say we don't create for male now, and we won't create for female. I'll duplicate this one quickly because we not get many time. I won't create for female. So here now I'll come now just say female, and I'll see specify radio button now. So what will happen we see if I put on I see and say I dey check the two, but the way it's supposed to be now by default now if I click on this one go disable. Why if I click on this one go disable. So for you to do one, I need to make sure say this name for here now you give them something now. So I'll give them an agenda, and the same name now go be the same gender and now go be the name for this female now. If I run now, you see if I click, as I click this one they off. What did happen here be say this input now with this input now, so the day something they call button group now. The day one group. As a 2 day now, so the day one group. So the group where the day now only one thing now you feel check for inside the group. The group where the day now only one thing now you feel check for inside the group. And that time will be like say you feel check now. Now in the now go wherever you send the form they go. You get. So if you look at me again now, I don't refresh my page. Now if I click on male, you check now. If I click on female, you uncheck male. You see how? So normally before for most websites and by default I did the check one down to do one. If you just come in now you see checked. You know, just single attribute on you just push checked. So if you don't like that by default now, this one will be checked. So when you click on female now, you gonna check male. If you click on male, you gonna check female. So you see the thing be now. This one are for radio button. Then another one there again now. So another one there again now, which is for checkbox. Checkbox. You see how? So basically now all of them now. This is your shop here. Just do my body one kind sense. So basically, all of them now input. It's just that this is their type. Now they differentiate them to let you know, okay, this one will be this one, this one will be this one. You see how? So this one will put on a checkbox. So this one you feel on check, and you feel check out. So if we create many checkbox now, so what happen now? I'll say this BR now make a duplicate now. So I say this checkbox now, apple, orange, grape, bobozi, See I say I put the name now, so if I come here now, I fit check more than one. You see why? Because their name different. But if I put these two now, say Apple, it means say these two guys now, so they don't different inside this botting group now, which is Apple botting group. And if I select one, you not going to check the other one cell phone. Let's see. Okay, they work for still they carry so they work for radio now. So checker. So that one to now, so I want to just put the text for this thing for the corner of the check box now. Make una see and see now what you would check for every one. Now one thing for every say anytime I say you want create text, I feel just come in and go say okay, Apple. And Apple go show for here. But me I like to do more the right way. So instead of just saying Apple now label. Now you go label. So you label this input as Apple. You see now? The label as Apple. So I'll come here, I'll select, and I'll just paste them for here like this. And also this summer I be like the rush it in one but I'm on another verse. I'll make sure say I run this in quick so that I'll go enter the sweet part. You get enter the sweet part. And another thing we say by the time we do the run CSS, you see I say most of all these things I go to explain them again. So now as I talk for here, now I talk end like I'm not talking end for here. When I do CSS now, I go see explain more things. So you see the way checkbox pin now, so if it is check, if you don't check now, you see now. So the next one I go do now, I'll just put HR. Get one more to web I want show now. Get one more to I want show now. I want show now. Select. Now what you select they do be say you feel select drop down, if you click on drop down list, then if you select one particular thing for inside. So the way you select bin will be like this. I'll come here now say select and I'll tag. You see now. It's just like they will do our list that time. They don't do our list that time now. See remember. Well be like so we say ordered list then inside we'll call the pull list item is list item. You get now so the select be. So we'll create the select now. Then inside now we'll call say option. You see now option. So in fact mark on this value. So for these things I know me teach you to do now one can because I just front of the design, I only do back end. So mark more value, come out of the things. So this option I go say I put country. When I country be like I don't travel go. So I put Nigeria. I go put I go put Delta. I go put Lagos. Worry. Now you see when I put a feature, you see what happen now. So if I click on this drop down now, see the different lists all creates now. So this thing now so now be select. That simple thing where I see this for this now so now that thing now be select. So I'm also got this from where I've been on the verse because now I want to CSS so that I will teach you more of these things. So the way thing they be like now so the way they be like now you will wrap our HTML tutorial. Why I don't want to go in depth for this one because most of the things I go for and as if I just the right answer, I'm not going to fresh on I want to just like say as I do I'm going to designer for CSS. Then the thing with the fresh on the eye small they go. You get so time day. Almost 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go sleep. Alright, so now say just be. When we enter CSS now, I go talk on all this form. I will go design now. You get. I don't even create one video self where I be like say when I go check them out. One video be like say I talk on form. Though the form not go in depth, and I just simple stuff. Sure, bet now still on the CSS too. So thank you for listening this particular one web like so we do now. So and on a very good day now I go start to record on the CSS, and when I go see how the CSS they work pass. So now I go do until they push now also on our own and also forward. So now I was here in the HTML2. I don't know if like now watch I finish. I think when I try. So when I see subscribe on the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you don't say you not like now go follow our hand. Still press the thumbs up if I'm not lost. You know how they be. I'll still remember your guy Big Tank for Double South, and I'll soon have a CSS tutorial. So one love.